Tactical Reloads, we back at you, back with another banger. And today, guys, we're back at the range. We had a class today. Right now, they're taking the test, getting ready for qualification. So we're about ready to head on to the range. But we wanted to show you guys a little bit about what we actually do in class, the things that we go over. This ain't your normal class, guys. We're actually teaching people how to shoot. We're not out here giving you a 2-hour class and taking 150 of your dollars. We in class 8 hours, guys. We're trying to teach people how to effectively, safely, and efficiently shoot. If guns are your thing, man, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Also hit that thumbs up button, man. You know, it helps on the backside on the algorithm of things, man. Some stuff that I can't explain to you. I ain't gonna hold you. I can't explain that to you, but it does help the channel grow. So go ahead and do it for your boys, man. Let's give you guys a quick taste about, you know, what we do while we're in class. I was doing something multiple times, and that is for good reason, okay? Anytime you handle the firearm, you want to make sure that that firearm is clear. Anytime, right? So what we do is we check the firearm. For this specific firearm, you simply eject the cylinder and you check to make sure all cylinders are empty. But there's something special that I want you guys to do. Take your focus away, focus on something else, come back and do it again. Why would we do that? Why would we do that twice? Close. I like that. Why would we do it twice? It's okay. Fresh breath.
I saw you go
There you go. And in this class, guys, we don't just take your money. We're going to give you a whole bunch of stuff. And this is free as well. Human nature says if I want this gun to be clear, it's clear. So what I want to do is take my focus away. And I don't take my focus away and look at a blank wall. I take my focus away and I look at something. When we're teaching here and I take my focus away, I always focus here. I take my focus away from the gun, put it on something else, and then I bring it back to make sure that it is clear. You can never compromise safety. You can never compromise safety. Pressing the trigger does one thing. Nothing is happening. I can press this as long as I want to. I'm not strong enough to break it, right? But if the hammer is manually cocked, now the pistol can fire. Single action releases the hammer. You have to have a manual way of cocking the hammer, okay? Otherwise, the firearm will not fire, right? Single action. So extend out just like this. See that? See how small that little closure is? Okay, now, for you guys with both air, switch eyes. See how far it jumps? All the way over. You see how far it jumps? Which means when you're aiming, you need to aim with your dominant eye. Otherwise, your shots are going to be that far off.
you'll have to ask them for one of these to put it to say, I need an eye level with you. And then let the person on the range say, don't worry about it, shoot the silver, we don't care. But let them tell you that.